Traveling with a little one can be an adventure, but sometimes it can be a challenge, especially when it comes to sleep. This video is here to help you navigate those challenges and make your journey as smooth as possible for both you and your baby. We'll be sharing essential tips, practical advice, and some fantastic product recommendations to ensure your little one gets the restful sleep they need, even on the go. Think of sleep as a comfort zone for your baby. Creating a familiar sleep environment away from home is crucial. Pack their beloved sleep sack, blanket, and any comforting toys or sounds that signal bedtime. It's all about making their sleep space feel like an extension of their nursery. Consistency is key, so try to stick to your baby's regular bedtime routine as much as possible, from bath time to story time. This helps signal to your little one that it's time to sleep, even in a new place. Let's talk about some game-changing travel products designed to make sleep easier for your little one. Portable white noise machines are amazing for blocking out distracting noises and creating a calming atmosphere. Blackout curtains are another great option to mimic a dark, cozy sleep environment, especially in hotel rooms. And don't forget about travel cribs. These portable and foldable cribs offer a familiar and safe sleep space, no matter where your travels take you. These products are essential for creating a peaceful sleep haven for your baby, even on the go. Packing for a trip with a baby can feel overwhelming, but it's all about smart choices. Keep it light and focus on the essentials. Remember those extra outfits, diapers, and wipes, because accidents happen. Packing cubes are a lifesaver for organization. They keep everything compartmentalized and easy to find, making it less stressful to unpack and repack. By prioritizing essentials and using smart packing techniques, you can create a streamlined and stress-free travel experience for yourself and your little one. Transitions can be tricky for little ones, so aim for a smooth adjustment. Arrive at your destination with plenty of time to unpack, settle in, and create a calming environment for your baby. Minimize disruptions by keeping things as familiar as possible. Offer soothing activities like singing, reading, or playing calming music to help your baby relax and adjust to the new surroundings. A little bit of extra patience and familiar comforts go a long way in making the transition smoother for your baby,